the name this is chapter number 18 of from the book Tree House of EVS for class 1, then the world around us. So we know the world around us. So we see the sky above. Now we can see the stars, we can see our nature every day, that in the in our world or in our earth every day, we see that, we see the sky, we see the moon, we see stars, we see trees. So sky every day, when we see the sky, we can see that the sky looks different during the day, and at night the sky also looks different. So in the morning also the sun rises slowly in the sky. So if you see our nature every day, then you can see that in the morning the sun rises very slowly in the sky. Now as the days goes on, the sun shines more and more brightly in the blue sky, and what we see, that afternoons are become so much sunny and hot. So you can see the picture of an afternoon sky also and a morning sky also. So do these pictures, draw these pictures in your home. Now on some days we can also see clouds in the sky. The clouds look like white balls of cotton. Sometimes they cover the sun, and what happen, dark clouds bring rain. So this is a picture of a sky at night and a cloudy sky. Now, as the sun slowly sets, the sky grows dark and dark. At night, we can see the moon, some stars also shining in the sky. Now in the next page, another topic is there about the sun, the moon and the stars. So you know that sun, moon and stars are our heavenly bodies. So what is sun? First of all, sun is a big ball of fire. Sun gives us heat, light, sunlight. So sun is a big ball of fire. Sun used to give us sunlight. Sun is very big, but it looks small because it is very far away from our earth. Now when the sun rises, it is day. When the sun sets, it is night. So you know these things very much. The moon shines in the sky at night, but moon shapes changes every day. At night, we also see many stars shining brightly in the sky. Stars looks very small because they are also very far away from us. Then then there is a topic. The name of the topic is weather. So we have learned that there is air all around us. So sometimes the air is hot, and sometimes the air it is cold. It is a weather. So some weather, so in our earth, weather changes every day. Okay, the condition of a air of a place at a certain time is called a weather. Means the condition of the air of a place at a certain time, means when the air looks like hot, when the air blows hot, then it is becomes hot weather. And when in some place the air blows cold air, then it is having a cold weather in that place. So weather changes every day, and this condition is called weather. Weather does not remain same every day. It keeps on changing from time to time, and day by day and time to time the weather changes. It can be hot, it can be cold, it can be windy, rainy or sunny. The wind can change anytime the weather.